I've got correct or incorrect. All right, Catherine, correct. So I guess the sample is I think Kara no? So yeah, let me wait a bit more. Pongyejon, correct? Kara, correct. And May theory, wow, she got disconnected today. Yeah, so Heyman, if you get your answer, let me know in the chat, no? Trace.
Yeah, I got.
All right, it's already 10:15. So yes, Heyman, your answer is correct. So everyone chose the answer C, and everyone is correct. Okay. Bajang laser, the cell wall is fully permeable. It allows all the substances to easily pass in and out. Partially permeable, it is. Yeah, the rest of the cell membrane, they're partially permeable. Dialysis tubing, cell membrane, dialysis tubing, about the their substances they aware to hallelujah. Substances they aware to hallelujah. Okay, so the only correct answer is C. I have you all share now. I'll write down the next question. Okay. The next question upon me is the root hair cell guard. It's surrounded by the swell water. Root hair cell are surrounded by swell water. The swell water guard, which is a very dilute solution of mineral ions. Okay, so swell water thêm mineral ions nè lúc vô lưu yam bà chào so it's a dilute solution thiện ya một lúc. Okay, swell water thêm chỉ ya nha so mineral ions nè plants the vacuole mà okay, plant cells have higher concentration. Thoroughly vacuole thêm mà the mineral ion concentration concentration of these ions. Error, the hair cells they got the swell water mineral ions will absorb a process guys. Mineral ions appeal I will not write down the options, but yeah, so it's pretty straightforward. Is it diffusion, active transport, osmosis, or random movement? Or I want you to check your answer, okay? Julia, your answer is correct. Ions will absorb Lumana, or Aga, your answer is correct. And Sulawadi, your answer is correct. Thank your answer is correct. Not correct. Yes, Linda, great work. You even included additional information. Catherine, try again. Pomia, you always try again, okay? All right, most people, some, not most, but a few people are answering osmosis, guys. We're not looking at water molecules. We're looking at the mineral ions, how the root hair cells absorb the mineral ions, okay? Don't get fooled by the swell water. Okay, so guys, Mataya Maga, the swell water temaga, mineral ions near. Okay, mineral ions dilute solution swell water tema. Tabi me plant cells mineral ions higher concentration so 变现象了 no guys. Low to high concentration plant cells higher concentration ရှိရယ်ပြီးတော့ below မျိုး higher concentration ရှိရတာမှာ below မျိုး ions ကို absorb လုပ်နိုင်တာလေတဲ့ Yes, Aura, that's correct. Yes, Ira, that's correct. This was actually yesterday's example. Kara, that's correct. Let's wait for a few more. There you go, you know, confusing piano. Yes, 碰見咩呢? So you're diluting higher concentration 你睇下邊嚟㗎 Okay, အ啲က direction 啲部分嚟 Yes, Maytiribo, that's correct. And Heyman, yes, you even explained the process. Great work. So I think, or is someone missing? All right, so I will reveal the answer now. The answer got the root hair cells absorb the mineral ions by the process known as active transport. That's how active transport is. Swell water dilutes solution of mineral ions. Swell water is a dilute solution of mineral ions. Solution swell water mineral ions okay, low in concentration. Plant cells solution, alright, they have a higher concentration of these ions. Plant cells already mineral ions concentration high so the mineral ions low concentration high concentration which is against the concentration gradient. The Lomio against the concentration gradient they need to rely on active transport. Okay, and here Matayama got the root hair cells absorb mineral ions by the process known as active transport. Okay, because the movement is from low concentration to high concentration, which is against the concentration gradient. Okay, so is everyone okay with this? Or do you have questions? Shilu Shen asked me, no? And Shilu Shen, I'll move to the next question. Okay, so no questions, I guess. Let's move to the next one. The next one got table here. Okay? Table, it's like this. Got very concentrated salt solution. The next one got very dilute salt solution. Now, so option got water. Option A, Xie, B, Xie, C, Xie, D, Xie. Okay. So dimaga fairly firm. Dimaga soft. Dimaga soft. Dimaga swollen. And very firm. Your dimaga S-W-O-L-L-E and swollen. And very firm. Dimaga fairly firm. Soft. Soft. Dimaga soft. Swollen. And very firm. Dimaga fairly firm. Dimaga fairly firm. So case ကဘယ်လိုမျိုးလဲဆိုတော့ student ကနေပြီးတော့ potatoes ကိုညှက်လိုက်တယ် potatoes ကိုညှက်လိုက်ပြီးတော့ဒီ different liquids တွေထဲမှာထည့်တယ် so potatoes ကို very concentrated salt solution ထဲမှာထည့်တယ်ပြီးတော့ very dilute salt solution ထဲမှာထည့်တယ်ပြီးတော့ water ထဲမှာထည့်တယ်အဲ့ဒီလိုထည့်လိုက်တဲ့အခါမှာ potatoes တွေရဲ့ပုံစံကဘယ်လိုဖြစ်မှာလဲတဲ့ okay ဆိုတော့ you guys option A, B, C, D ရွေးမယ်နော်ရွေးပြီးသွားလို့ရှိရင် this time I'll pick one person to explain why he or she chose the answer. Okay, so I think I received some answers. Okay, this time there is a variety of answers. Okay, so let me tell who got it right now. Julia correct, Aura incorrect, Kara correct, Sula correct, and that's it for now. The rest of you guys got, please try again. Incorrect. Okay, Homyejo correct. And Ira, try again. Nota correct. Yes, Julia, that's all right. No worries. Haven, try again, okay? Ira, you will try again. Look what you're doing. So I will ask someone to explain at 10:28, okay, or 27. Take your time and think, no? Yes, that's correct, Ira. Teresa, try again, okay? Okay, so Aka correct, Catherine correct, me, the Rebo, that's correct. Okay, 10:28 Jalushan, I'll pick someone. Okay, So 10:28 sir. I will wait a minute, it's still not correct. So I'll pick Pongyejo. Okay, Pongyejo. You chose the correct answer. Hold on. Oh, Pongyejo, you chose B. So yeah, explain why the answer is B.
Concentrated salt solution မှာကြတော့ water potential က solution ထဲမှာနေပြီးတော့ solution ထဲမှာနေပြီးတော့ potato ဘက်မှာများသွားတော့အဲ့ဒီ potato တွေက water molecules တွေက salt solution နဲ့ဝင်သွားလို့ salt ဖြစ်သွားတယ် diluted salt solution မှာကြတော့နှစ်ခုကတူတော့ဘာမှတိတ်မပြောင်းဘူး water မှာကြတော့ water မှာဟိုပါတယ် water molecules တွေကများပြီး water potential ကများပြီးတော့ potato မှာ water potential နေတယ်အဲ့တော့ water တွေကဟိုပါတယ် water molecules တွေက potato တွေဝင်
Okay, good job. It's very well explained. Good job. Okay, so guys, up here B today, so you guys have to compare the water potential. Okay, so concentrated salt solution, yeah, potato, yeah, water potential. Concentrated salt solution, there is lower water potential. Potato nation, water potential. Osmosis water molecules they move from high water potential to low water potential. Potatoes water molecules concentrated salt solution here when potatoes turbo pressure potatoes got soft very dilute salt solution potato water potential ရှင်းလိုက်မယ်ဆိုရင်ဘာမှတိတ်မကွာအောင်တိတ်မကွာတော့အပြောင်းလဲတိတ်မရှိဘူးအရင်လဲ soft မဖြစ်သွားတယ်လို့အရင်လဲ firm မဖြစ်သွား fairly firm ပဲဖြစ်တယ်ဘာကြောင့်လဲဆိုတော့ very dilute salt solution မှာဆိုရင် water potential the same okay so similar water potential ဒါပေမဲ့အခု water ရယ် potatoes ရယ်ရှင်းလိုက်မယ်ဆိုရင် obviously water မှာက higher water potential ရှိမှာပေါ့ potatoes ဆက်ဆိုတော့ water မှာက higher water potential ရှိရဲ့အခါမှာ osmosis အရာ water molecules will move higher water potential water molecules တွေက water ထဲကနေ potatoes ထဲကိုဝင်တယ် water ထဲကနေ potatoes ထဲဝင်တဲ့အခါမှာ potatoes ထဲမှာရေပုံများလာတယ်ရေပုံများလာလို့ရှိရင် turbo pressure ရလည်း higher ဖြစ်လာတယ်အဲ့ဒါကြောင့်မို့ potatoes ကပို့ပြီးတော့ဖောင်းပြီးတော့တင်းတင်းရင်းရင်းလေးဖြစ်သွားမယ် okay so the correct answer is B အစားအောင်က you guys got some of you guys choose to ပြောင်းမြင်ဖြစ်နေတယ် okay အဖြေမှန်က B ဖြစ်ရမှာဒီဟာနဲ့ပတ်သက်လို့နားမလည်ရရှိတာHeyman အဆင်ပြေလား why the answer is B sure get it
Yeah, teacher, I got it.
okay what about Teresa okay okay Teresa Teresa, do you get this? At first you chose C, but the answer is B. Do you know why? Yeah? Okay. I hope so. Let's move to the next question then. Okay? So the next question, I'll write it down on the board. This time also I'll pick someone to explain it. So some fresh plant tissue was put into a concentrated salt solution for 60 minutes. Okay, plant tissue say or concentrated salt solution minute tells youထားလိုက်တယ်အဲ့လိုထားလိုက်တဲ့အခါမှာ plant tissue soft ဖြစ်သွားတယ် so which best explain why the plant tissue became softer ဘာကြောင့် plant tissue softer ဖြစ်သွားလဲ so option 1 got water diffused down the water potential gradient from cell to surroundings. That's option 1. Here are option 2 got option 2 got water diffused into the cells so that they become turgid. The third option got water diffused out of the cell so they become plasmolized. And the fourth option got the cell lost turbo pressure and become flaccid. Okay? So Julia, the best explanation, huh? The explanation the best one the best one guys A B C D ထဲက Okay, so guys, for this guy, I want all of you guys to think again. Okay, I put a key code hard we're going again. Try and think again. And you got the keyword got it. Why it becomes softer? This is the keyword. Okay, you need to choose the most specific answer. ဒီထဲမှာ answer တစ်ခုက you guys ရွေးရဲ့ answer ကနည်းနည်း general ဖြစ်တဲ့ answer ဖြစ်နေတယ် you have to choose the specific one ဘာကြောင့် softer ဖြစ်သွားတာလဲ okay yes Nota and Aga your answers are correct Kara your answer is correct too Aura, your answer is correct. All right, May Thiribo, your answer is close, but try again. Okay, it's another option. Extreme case not the cell got it just becomes softer. Yes, Sulavadi, correct. May Thiribo, correct. Get try again. The answer that you chose got general okay? And theory, your answer is correct. So around 10:38, we will discuss this together. I'll just explain it, okay? Because I don't want to cause confusion. All right, guys, let me just reveal the correct answer. Okay, so those who chose option D, yes, just in time. This is the correct answer. Okay, so ဘာကြောင့် D ဖြစ်တာလဲဆို A ကလည်းမှန်တယ်။ B ကတော့ကျင်းတည်မှာ။ဘာကြောင့်လဲဆိုတော့ turgid ဖြစ်တယ်ဆိုမှတော့ဘယ်လိုလုပ်ရင် cell က softer ဖြစ်မှာလဲ။ turgid ဖြစ်တယ်ဆိုရင် cell ထဲမှာ pressure တွေအရင်များပြီးတော့ cell က firm ဖြစ်မှာ။အဲ့ဒါဆို B ကကျင်းတည်မှာ။ဆိုစဉ်းစားရမှာ A ရယ် C ရယ် D ရယ်ထဲကစဉ်းစားရမှာ။ Okay, so A ကိုကြည့်လိုက်လို့ရှိရင်တော့မှန်နေတယ်။ဒါပေမဲ့အရင် general ဆန်တော့အားကြီးရယ် okay water diffuse down the water potential gradient from the cell to the surrounding it's very general အဓိကဒီမေးခွန်းထဲမှာမေးနေတာဘာကြောင့် cell က softer ဖြစ်သွားတာလဲ cell ကဘာကြောင့် softer ဖြစ်သွားတာလဲဆိုလို့ရှိရင် AP လိုက်လို့ရှိရင်အရင် general ဆန်တော့ we will cancel this out okay so C ရဲ့ D ရဲ့ကိုကြည့်မယ်D ကဘာပြောထားလဲဆိုတော့ the cell lost turbo pressure and become flaccid. This is the correct answer. ဘာကြောင့်လဲဆိုတော့အဓိက cell က softer ဖြစ်သွားတဲ့အကြောင်းရင်းကသူက water molecules တွေအပြင်ထွက်သွားတဲ့အခါမှာ turbo pressure ကလျော့သွားတယ်။ turbo pressure ကလျော့ပြီးတော့ cell က flaccid ဖြစ်သွားဒီမှာဒီ option D မှာဆိုလို့ရှိရင် key terms နှစ်ခုတောင်ပါတယ်။ Okay? water molecules က cell ရဲ့အပြင်ထွက်သွားတဲ့အခါမှာturbo pressure ကလျော့သွားမယ် turbo pressure လျော့သွားတော့ cell က flaccid ဖြစ်ပြီးတော့သူက soft ဖြစ်သွားတယ်အဖြေမှန်က D တကယ်လို့များမိခွန်းထဲမှာက the plant tissue becomes softer and it shrinks a lot အရင်ကျုံသွားတယ်လို့မိခွန်းထဲမှာပါလို့ရှိရင်တော့အဖြေမှန်က D ဖြစ်ချင်ဖြစ်မယ် okay ဒါပေမဲ့အခုကအဓိကမိရက cell ကဘာလို့ softer ဖြစ်သွားလဲလို့မေးရင်အကောင်းဆုံး explanation က turbo pressure and flaccid ကိုထည့်ပြောတာတော့ that's the best explanation okay so yeah that's the correct answer if you guys have questions let me know questions မရှိလို့ရှိရင် you guys go I will send a question on messenger ထဲမှာပို့လိုက်မယ်ဒီကအဲ့ဒီ question ကနည်းနည်းလေးတော့ခက်ချင်ခက်မယ် so let me know if you want to answer it together with me or အရင်ဆုံးခုခုကို try ချင်လားဒါမှမဟုတ်ရှင်အတူတူ answer လုပ်ချင်လား let me know အရင်ဆုံးမေးကုန်ကြည့်လိုက်ပေါ့ okay soဒီဥစ္စာတော့နည်းနည်းလွယ်အောင်မှကျတယ်ဒီကတော့ခုခုကို try ကြည့်လိုက်နော် guys ဒါလေး try မယ် I sent it in the bio messenger group it's still sendingအဖြေကလေ Zoom chat ထဲမှာလည်းရေးချင်ရေးလို့ရတယ်ဒါမှမဟုတ်လို့ရှိရင် you can send it to me on messenger မှာလည်းပို့ချင်ပို့လို့ရတယ် okay ဒါလေးတစ်ချက် try မယ်နားမလည်တော့ let me know All right, then I will check your answer. Yes, Nate, great work. Your answer is correct. All right, Nata, very well explained. Great work. Correct. And the next person got Aura. Yes, sure. You're excused. The next person got great work, Kara. It's correct. Yes, Dewey, great work. Your answer is correct. The next person is Julia. All right, great work. Yeah, your answer is correct. The next person got it's Punya. Oh, all right, Hina. I'll check them. I think I can see it. Yes, Punya, great work. The next person got Ira. era ဒီကလေ loss mass အတွက်ကတော့ explanation နဲ့ねဒါပေမဲ့ gain mass အတွက်ကလေ era you wrote down sodium chloride will be moved into the onions water molecules will be moved to the onions ဖြစ်ရမှာနော်အဲ့ဒါလေးတစ်ချက်ပြင်မယ်ကျန်တာရတော့ it's all correct and then yes Heyman I'm checking now နော် Alright, Heyman, it's correct, but then it'll be better if you specify, okay? Water molecule ကဘယ်ကနေဘယ်ကိုသွားတာလဲဆိုရင်ပြောရပိုကောင်းတယ် onions တွေက gain mass ဖြစ်သွားတာက water molecules တွေကဒီ salt solution တွေကနေ onions ကိုသွားတာမဟုတ်လား onions တွေကနေ salt solution အပြင်ကိုထွက်တာမဟုတ်လို့လားအဲ့လိုမျိုး direction နဲ့ specify ပြောရင်တော့ပိုကောင်းတယ် okay? And the next person က Suryavatee Suryavatee, great work. Correct. And the next person got Teresa. Oh, wait. Hey, my gosh, she got disconnected earlier. I didn't know anything to her. All right, Teresa. Yeah, your answer is correct. So, guys, 10:55 or 56, I will write down the correct answer, okay, for those people who might need it. And Linda, Ashimbiga, with the question. Do you need help? Actually, no. Do you want me to explain Linda? Because I'm just waiting for a few more people, so I can just explain right now. Yes, please. All right. So, hey, early, I didn't know you were disconnected. So I was talking to you, and Bioma, I realized you weren't in the call when you just joined in again. So your answer is correct, but then it'll be better if you talk about the direction as well. Onions တွေကနေ salt solution ထဲကိုဝင်သွားတာလားဒါမှမဟုတ်လို့ရှိရင် solution တွေကနေ onions ထဲကိုဝင်သွားတာအဲ့လိုပြောလို့ရှိရင်တော့ that will be better. Okay, direction လေးထည့်ပို့ကောင်းတယ် So အခုက I'll just explain it now နော် So Oh, it's there. Okay, so let's look at it together now. What is the question? So, Patama case maga, okay, Patama case maga, onions tiga gain mass pitware. The onions tigo dilute sodium chloride dilution. This is onion, O-N-I-O-N, onion. This is dilute solution of sodium chloride. ဒီမှာထည့်လိုက်လို့ရှိရင် onion ရဲ့ mass က increase ဖြစ်သွားတယ် So Linda onion ရဲ့ mass က increase ဖြစ်သွားတယ်ဆိုမှတော့ onion ထဲမှာရေတွေဝင်လာလို့လားဒါမှမဟုတ်လို့ရှိရင်ရေတွေထွက်သွားလို့လား Yes, water comes inside. Onion tail water ya shiri winla lo. Shiri winla da ye. Onion tail ma maska pumyama wo. Okay? So onion tail shiri ya pu winla ga eh. Onion tail ma ga onion ye the apia dilute sodium chloride ye shin dai lu shin bema water potential a higher chemical. Onion tail ma ga sodium chloride tail ma la. Hold no, Linda. Onion tema water potential ပုံများနေလို့ရှင် osmosis အရာ water molecules ရအပြင်ထွက်ကုန်မှာပေါ့ Remember osmosis ဆိုတာက it is the movement from high water potential to low water potential သွားတာဆိုတော့ရေတွေကအထဲကို onion ထဲကိုဝင်လာတယ်ဆိုတာကဘာလို့ဆိုလို့ချင်တာလဲဆိုတော့အပြင်မှာက high water potential ရှိပြီးတော့ onion အထဲမှာက low water potential ရှိနေလို့ water molecules တွေကအပြင်မှာရှိရဲ့ sodium chloride တွေကနေအထဲမှာရှိရဲ့ onion ထဲကိုဝင်သွားမှာ Do you get what I mean? Or are you still confused? ရပြီနော် So onion ထဲမှာက mass ကပုံများလာတယ်ဆိုတာကဘာလို့ဆိုလို့ချင်တာလဲဆိုတော့ onion ရဲ့ mass က increase ဖြစ်သွားတာကဘာလို့ဆိုလို့ချင်တာလဲဆိုတော့ onion ထဲကို water တွေက interest ဖြစ်သွားတာ water တွေက onion ထဲကို enter ဖြစ်သွားလို့ onion ရဲ့ mass က increase ဖြစ်သွားတာအဲ့ဒီတော့ water potential ရှင်းမယ်ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်အပြင်ရဲ့ water potential က onion ရဲ့ water potential ထက်ပိုများရမယ်ပုံများမှဒါလေ water molecules will move into the onion by osmosis. Okay? အဲ့ဒါပြီးသွားလို့ရှိရင် the next one က onion ရဲ့ mass က decrease ဖြစ်သွားတယ် when it is soaked in concentrated solution of sodium chloride. So later onion ရဲ့ mass က decrease ဖြစ်သွားရင်လေ water molecules က onion အထဲဝင်လာလို့လားအပြင်ထွက်သွားလို့လား Yes, it goes outside. Osmosis ဆိုတာက water molecules move from high water potential to low water potential. အခု onion ထဲကနေအပြင်ကိုထွက်လာရဆိုတော့ onion မှာ higher water potential ဖြစ်နေလို့လားဒါမှမဟုတ်လို့ရှိရင် sodium chloride ထဲမှာ higher water potential ဖြစ်နေလို့လား onion ထဲမှာ higher water potential ဖြစ်နေတော့ water molecules တွေက lower water potential ဖြစ်တဲ့ concentrated solution of sodium chloride စီကိုသွားမယ် Okay? လက်ထပ်ရပါပြီလား Alright. Soပြီးသွားတဲ့လူတွေက I'll give another question နော် One moment. There you go. Still sent. All I be now, guys. Yes, noted. That's all right. You can skip that one then. Yes, thank you. Excuse. All right, Linda. That's okay. No worries. Guys, is there anyone here who is like struggling with this question and who needs me to like give hints or explanations? If so, let me know. Okay.
I think I need it.
Alright.
In three, I want to which two states and I don't really understand the question.
Okay, 3A. 3A.
Yeah,
Part
three.
1 part 2
Part one.
Okay, part 1 got from Metallizer, the features of diffusion that do not apply in active transport. ပြောချင်တာ diffusion ရဲ့ active transport ရဲ့ဘယ်လိုကွာလဲဆိုတော့ပထမတစ်ခုပြောလို့ရတာ I'll give a hint เนาะဘယ်ဥစ္စာက against the concentration gradient လဲဘယ်ဥစ္စာ move down the concentration gradient လဲဘယ်ဥစ္စာ energy ကိုလဲဘယ်ဥစ္စာမလို့လဲအဲ့ဒီလိုမျိုး
It's just two features about that.
yeah so အဲ့ဒီနှစ်ခုပဲပေါ့
Okay, okay.
and I will all right so that I'll check your answer now all right so 3A မှာလေနော် yes 3B လေနဲ့ great work ဆိုတာအကုန်ပါလေဒါပေမဲ့ you can add one more point အဲ့ဒါတော့ explain လုပ်တဲ့အခါကျမှပဲပြောလိုက်ပါရမယ် okay and the next person got Teresa okay yes Teresa it's correct as well and then Julia yes Julia great work your answers are correct as well and then the okay yeah so far it's correct I'll explain part 2 no so 11:15 ကြာလို့ရှိရင် I'll explain the answers okay so
Do we have to do both, or do we have to skip two?
what did you say
Do we have to skip two?
you have to do everything
Oh, okay.
okay
But
if you're not sure you can skip it
what does the question mean? Do we have to write like what is number 2 asking for, teacher? I don't really understand.
number 2 ဟို root hair cells ရဲ့ adaptation ကိုမြင်ရလား
Yes, yes.
okay so you have to ပထမဆုံး think how the root hair cells absorb the mineral ions active transport နဲ့လား diffusion ပဲလား osmosis ပဲလားအဲ့ဒါတစ်ချက်စဉ်းစားမယ်ဒုတိယတစ်ချက်က rehearsals တွေက active transport ဟုတ်လေအပြောင်းဟုတ်ပြီပါ okay rehearsals တွေက in order to absorb the mineral ions by active transport ပထမတစ်ချက်က they need energy လေ so energy ကဘယ်ကလာမယ်ထင်တယ် aura
Photosynthesis.
မဟုတ်လေ energy က photosynthesis energy က on နဲ့ဆိုင် what is the process that release energy
Oh, respiration. Oh,
respiration လုပ်နေတဲ့ဥစ္စာရပါ organelles လေးပဲ M နဲ့ဆိုင် like this
oh, mitochondria.
yes so some of you guys didn't include that အဲ့ဒါ tank နဲ့ကောင်းတယ် okay the root hair cells တွေက active transport လုပ်တယ် active transport လုပ်ဖို့အတွက် energy လိုတယ် which comes from mitochondria so adaptation တခုက mitochondria တွေများတော့ energy ပိုရှိရဲအဲ့တော့ active transport ပိုလုပ်လို့ရတာပေါ့ do you get what I mean alright
Okay, kinda.
Kinda okay. I'll just explain it in detail then. Who were the version? Yeah, like now it's already 11:15 so Ian, so let's look at the first one. Okay, the first one got where is it? State two features of diffusion that do not apply in active transport. So patama feature of diffusion diffusion is the movement of molecules or ions down the concentration gradient, okay? Down the concentration gradient from a region of high concentration to a region of low concentration. High concentration, low concentration. This is the first difference for diffusion down the concentration gradient. Active transport it is a movement against the concentration gradient, okay? Active transport got movement of molecules against the concentration gradient. So from low concentration to high concentration, that is the difference between diffusion and active transport. All right, you're sure. The next difference in feature got diffusion got passive movement today. Passive movement to the energy is not required. Okay, energy not required. Active transport got it's the movement of molecules against the concentration gradient. Against the energy lower there, energy is required. အဲ့ဒါလည်းပြောရှင်ပြောလို့ရတယ်ဒါမှမဟုတ်လို့ရှိရင်နောက်တစ်ခုကဘာအောင်ထပ်ပြောလို့ရလဲဆိုရင် diffusion solution carrier protein တွေမလို့ okay diffusion solution natural process ဖြစ်တဲ့ carrier proteins not needed active transport solution in order to move against the concentration gradient we need carrier proteins are needed ဒီအရေးတွေကကြိုက်တာပြောလို့ရတယ်Okay, so yeah, Nota, do you get this? Yeah, why Nota? Or are you still?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, what about Linta Asimbila, the first one? Okay, so guys. Diffusion it is a movement down the concentration gradient. Active transport it's a movement against the concentration gradient. Diffusion energy is not required. Active transport energy is required. Diffusion carrier proteins not needed. Active transport carrier proteins are needed. So guys, please write down. Okay. If you're ready to move to the next part, please write down so that I can explain the next part. All right, Native. All right, put me at with this question.
Okay,
Okay. And also, Daniel, you're okay now, right? With 3A.
Yes, I'm okay.
All right. Okay, Ira, your answers are also sinking enough. And guys, I'll move to the next part at maybe 11:20. 1:22 လောက်ကြာရင် I'll move to the next part เนาะဒီတစ်ခု explain လုပ်ပြီးရင်တော့ that's it for today. All right. In the next minute, I'll explain the last part. No? Julia, for this guy, maybe you can just say for diffusion. So not diffusion at the for me, I just show both links so that it becomes clearer. But I think if you just talk for one side, it'll be fine. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. And guys, it's 11:22. So I'll move to the next part now. So the next part, where is it? Explain how roots are adapted to absorb ions. So D chapter side below. Again, chapter side. So I'll write down all the answers from 2 chapters. Okay? So but the root statement, they have root hair cells. Okay? Root statement, root hair cells root hair cells surface area okay, the root hair cells guys, the ones who can turn the cameras on, please do. Okay, the root hair cells they increase the surface area increase ဖြစ်တဲ့အခါမှာဘာဖြစ်လဲဆိုတော့ they can absorb more mineral ions. Okay, so patama feature. Okay, root hair cells large surface area ရှိတဲ့အခါမှာ mineral ions တွေကို absorb လုပ်လို့ရတယ်ဒုတိယ feature ကဘာလဲဆိုတော့ root hair cells mineral ions တွေ absorb လုပ်ဖို့အတွက် they rely on active transport. Okay, they use active transport to absorb mineral ions. The active transport local energy root hair cells they have many mitochondria. To obtain energy for active transport. Okay, so I want to say there are two main features ပေါ့ပထမတစ်ခုက root hair cell root စီမှာ root hair cells တွေရှိတယ် root hair cells တွေရှိတော့ surface area ပိုများပြီးတော့mineral ions တွေပို absorb လုပ်နိုင်တယ်ဒုတိယတစ်ချက်က root hair cells တွေမှာmineral ions ကို absorb လုပ်ဖို့အတွက်သူတို့ရ active transport သုံးတယ် active transport လုပ်ဖို့အတွက်သူတို့မှာဘာရှိသေးလဲဆိုတော့ mitochondria တွေအများကြီးရှိတယ် mitochondria တွေမှာ respiration လုပ်တဲ့အခါ energy တွေအများကြီးထွက်လာတယ် energy ရတဲ့အခါ active transport ပို့လို့ရတယ် okay guys is this clear now or are you guys confused if you're clear please let me know okay maybe in the chat if you want to copy it down huh? If you finish copying let me know as well all right Nata Heyman do I have to explain both things to you or yeah I'll just do that then okay so root stigma root stigma that they have these root hair cells here the root hair cells stigma that so the root hair cells they increase the surface area okay the roots the surface area mineral ions surface area mineral ions that's the first point Deuxième point root hair cells the mineral ions absorb they rely on active transport. Active transport it is a process that requires energy. Energy the process pitting. root hair cells mitochondria mitochondria energy release mitochondria energy release energy release active transport active transport ions the roots Heyman, are you okay now?
Yeah, teacher, I think I'm okay now.
All right. So yeah, I guess most of you guys have finished copying. If you haven't finished copying, feel free to copy now. But for, I think most people, you guys are done with copying. So if you have questions, stay behind. But if not, you guys are all dismissed. Okay? So yeah, bye-bye guys. All right, bye-bye.
Bye. Take care.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Yes, bye, Theory. Bye.
သမီးရရနော်ဟိုထွက်သွားလိုက်ရတယ်
Okay, 那好。